Okay, we resume. Yeah, about the preservation method according to sis, we got the rifle before. That even cover before. Mananki na-eme bụ nya separation akpụ, right? In a separate the main starch na chaff. Ya bụ akpụ n'ọnụ anam. And kezi vi kwuru kata before for no kwazani.
Ihe ọ bụ itinye na bụ ka esi preserve ya wee last ya longer.
Yeah. Before. So this nylon, even akpa ọ na-ebi abịa ka ego onye iche akwa. Okay. Thank you very much. Mana chafu inweta level. O nwere ibe ji eme?
Yes.
Nne ke ji eme.
How's it ya be na glitter? Oh, this thing. Yeah, be won na nko. And then your brown all. Maybe you let it
Wow. Echekwa m nọ nkụ. Eji amị a complete. Mana itinyezi this. Amazing. Can't you see? Okay, last time anyị gwalụ maka ụdị nri dị iche iche na-eme ete na ANAM. One of them is cassava, and this is one of the procedures. This is preservative method in ANAM. Nke a bụrụ process. Before this thing will get to this extent, how many days give another na egbunye akpụ?
2 days.
Ishe mo bro bose no. Okay, akpụ aka. Okay, this farm produce processes in ANAM. Obu nero tubers of cassava. Abacha anya, that is cassava peeling. Abacha si anya ebe eme nke na anakpọ igbunye ọbịa no depend 3 or 4 days. Then it will get to this stage, this very stage right now here. Then you use it to preserve it. Then when they need to then ndị nke dị n'elu. And according to our big sis, now this thing it takes 3 to 4 days. Or ferment, I don't know. But after that, this is ANAM TV anyway. Anemios. Sister Jom. Anemios. Not really anemios. Thank you so much, beloved. We love you. We are proud of you. Thank you. This is the great ANAMite. I told you, you can come to ANAM and see every kind of food. All the fine produce, but in particular, this is cassava. God bless you. God bless ANAM.